Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about different types of borders in Excel and how many types of borders we are having and all those things we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you see, this is my Excel sheet and where you can see the font, right? So here you can see the borders. So you can add different borders. So I just create some values here. I'll create spread random names here, random names. So I'm writing a random names. So if you want, yeah. For example, if you want border, bottom border, see, you can see the you can see the border, right? See here, you can see the border, bottom border. And for example, if I want the top border, see now you can see the top border, right? Top border, you can see. So now you can see the left border. See, you can see the left border. And you can see the right border also. You can see the right border also. Just click on the cell and just click on it. See, you can see the right border. So you can see the left border. You can see the left border, right border, top and the bottom border. So in this way, we can use the borders based upon it. And if you want to tell no border, just click on this things cell and click on no border. There will be no borders, right? You can see, right? There is no border. And we are having another thing is all borders. So if you want all from top, bottom, left and right, then you have to use all borders. Then all sides borders will be filled. You can see, right? All the four sides you will be having borders. You will be having borders. So you'll having outside borders. So you'll be having outside borders. So let's do it into the vocabulary. So outside borders. See, you got the outside borders. You got the outside borders. And you'll be having thick outside borders. You want thick outside borders. I want Pandora for that. So I will use Pandora. Thick outside borders. See that? You will be having thick outside borders. Thick outside borders. And you'll be having water double border, bottom bottom double border. So if you want to use bottom double border, you'll be having bottom double border, right? You'll be having the bottom double border, and you'll be having thick bottom border, thick bottom border. You can see right here, you'll be having thick bottom border. And likewise, you will be having top and bottom border, and top and thick bottom border, and top and double bottom border. So in this way, you can use different types of borders in Excel. So based upon your requirement, you can use the borders. And for the borders, you can include the colors also. You can include the colors also. So you'll be having line colors, right? For example, you click on Pandora and just click on it and click on line colors. And click on red. See, we got red colors, right? So click on it. So if you want to got red colors, so just click on the line with this pencil, then the lines will be converted into the color. So you'll be having more lines, more lines, more lines. So in this you'll be having solid line. You'll be having solid line. For example, I'll choose this thing. Just click on it. Just deselect it. Now just click on it. Yeah. So it's deselected. Just click on the border. So you can see, right, the thick line. So based upon you will get the line. And for example, I will just choose this thing and I will do the border. So you got the symbols, right? So just I will write some values here, or you can write values here also. Just write solid line, and I will write dashed line, and here I will write just minimize the pace. Let's go to here and just click on minus minus minus. So you'll be having dashed line, and you'll be having dotted line, dotted line, dotted line, and you'll be having medium line, medium line, and you'll be having thick line, thick line, and you'll be having double line. So just click on it and go to the line styles, and this is the thick line. So just click on it and click on this thing. So you'll be having solid line. You'll be having solid line. So just click on it. Okay. Just click on the line style, and you'll be having dotted lines, right? This is the dotted line. For example, if you click on it, you'll be having the dotted line. You'll be having dot. Sorry, it is dashed line. So it is the dotted line. So it is the dotted line. This is the sorry. This is the dashed line. This is the dashed line. We are having another dotted line. Don't worry, I will show you. So it is a dashed line. You can see, right, dashes, all dashes. So it is a dashed line. It is a dashed line. So we'll be having dotted line also. Just go to the line style and click on dotted line. So I think this is the dotted line. Just click on it. So this is the dotted line. This is the dotted line. This is the dotted line. And you'll be having median line. You'll be having median line. So this is the median line. So you can choose the median line. You can choose the median line. And you'll be having thick line. You'll be having thick line. So this is the thick line. This is the thick line. This is the thick line. And you'll be having double line also. You'll be having double line also. You can go here. See, this is the double line. This is the double line. This is the double line. So in this way, we can use different lines, different types of dotted lines and solid line, dotted line and dashed line, medium line and thick line and double lines in Excel. Like you can use it as the border. You can use it as the border. You can use it as the border. I hope you understand. You understand the borders chapter here. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand this class. If you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, just please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.